Hey guys, what's up? Today I'm going to show you how to use iMovie. So this video is made for my speech class, and the assignment was to create a how-to video, so I decided to do it on how to use iMovie. Most of the people in my class probably aren't going to know how to use iMovie, but they won't see this till after they present, so that's unfortunate for them. Alright, first things first, drag the main clip that you're going to use into the place where it says to drag your videos. So the clips I'm using are from a video I was going to make but decided not to, about trying to play CSGO with a MacBook and trackpad. So some basic functions here. First you want to cut your clip where you want to start and end. So I'm cutting it here because the next clip I'm going to be using starts when this round up here starts. So that's where I'm going to cut it. In order to cut it, what you want to do is first find where you want to cut it. Make sure you select the clip by clicking on it. Then you want to right click on that same spot and press split clip. Next you want to get some background music, so go over to this tab that says audio, click on it and find the audio you want. The audio you have to choose from is going to be coming from your iTunes library. But for this video, I'm going to be using some anti-copyright music, because this is going to go on YouTube. Now that we have our music, we want to lower the volume so my voice is louder than the music's voice. To do this, you want to go up to the top right here, click on this audio icon, and lower the volume of your background music to an adjustable volume. Now that your music is at the right volume, all you want to do is cut the remainder of the music off where the clip ends, so do the same thing that you do to split a regular video. The next step in making a video is adding a voiceover. So to do this, what you want to do is click on the icon that has a microphone on it, and a red button will pop up. Click the button and it'll start to record. During this time, you could explain what you're doing or whatever you need to say. When you're ready to end the voiceover, click the button again and it will finish. As you can see, the audio will pop up above your music, and now you could adjust the audio. Just like the background music, you could adjust the audio so that you're louder than your music, or if you don't have music, louder than the gameplay or video you're talking over. Next, I would like to show how to use filters for videos and audio. To add a filter to a video or picture, click the filter icon and you'll see several options. To apply one, click on it and it will immediately be added. To apply a filter to your voice, click on any audio file and do the same. This time, instead of clicking clip filter, click audio filter and you could pick and choose different effects for your voice. Now, how to add title cards. First, click the button next to audio that says titles. Here you could see you could choose from several different types of titles with different fonts, locations, and effects. To use one, drag it wherever you need. Make sure the title card is shown in the preview on the right side of your screen and double click the text. Now you could type whatever you want. You can also add title cards in the middle of clips. To do this, drag the card above where you want it to show. Now, do the same as before and double click to type whatever. Next, I'll show you how to use picture-in-picture. This is what you'll use for an overlay, and it isn't just limited for pictures, as you'll see. First, drag the picture or video on top of the main clip, like you did with the title card. You will notice that it isn't in the right place. To fix this, click the icon with two squares, and then click Picture in Picture. Now, you can move the video wherever you want. Now, I will teach you to crop videos, and this works for your regular clip along with the Picture in Picture. First, click the square icon, and then click Crop to Fill. This is how you will crop the video or picture. To rotate an image or video, click the boxes with arrows. This will rotate it 90 degrees whichever way you please. Now, I'll move this clip to where it will go. Here's what this video looks like after I'm done editing. As you can see, I've used all the techniques I've taught you today. Voiceovers, background music, voice filters, title screens, except for one, picture-in-picture. I'm not done though. You may not want to listen to how I edit, but my editing technique has managed me 77 subscribers and 35 views. It's a small flex, but I know my way around. Thank you for watching, and peace out. Bye.